NVIDIA, we've got a 171 pre-market high and a 168 low a day, and there's Netflix going once more. And there are levels left and right on this Netflix. I think that's the stop. Question is which one of these do I take? I mean, it's already done the gap fill. Quite the drop down there. Wowzers. I think I'm going to go 205s for Netflix. Yeah, 205s. $205s against 206.50s. We'll see if we get it, and then 200 low a day. I will set, and then moving on to NVIDIA, let's go back to Apple. Apple set a new low. Let's set that. IBM also set a new low, 129.71 low a day. NVIDIA, Google 113.20 pre-market low, and then a 115.10 pre-market high. Meta a 179.20 high of day, and then a 175.80 pre-market low. And here is Netflix coming in. I'm up at 205. Can we get up there? I think we can. Let's see if we can get up there to then Netflix and catch that. Up at 205. I actually have my stop just a little bit beyond there. So Meta, we've got in Baba, we've got a 107.16 high a day, and then we've got a 104.75 pre-market low. Coin is on highs. 69.20 is the high a day, and I got filled on Netflix at 205. Actually at 90 cents, and immediately comes in, and I'm going to take a little bit off here as that comes in very quickly. And there it goes even more. And here we are coming down to lows. A very quick trade here in Netflix. Let's see if we can move back further down. See if we can move back down to 201.50. And there's 202s coming. I think they can get down there. 202. Can we get back down to 201? That happened very quickly. It was pretty much just all tape reading. Let's see if we can get this move back down. I'd actually be willing to add back onto this at 205.50 if we get back up there. Gonna let that Netflix bounce around for a little bit. So saw a ton of selling yesterday in after hours, much higher than where we are here. But I'm gonna just let that work. Coin on highs. Coin on highs. Let me reset the high day. IBM on lows, and I need to keep track of this. IBM. Meta, Coin, Tesla, Microsoft. Microsoft not really doing anything. 260.15 is the high of day, and then 258 is the low of day. And there's Coin. NVX. Let's just call it 60 high day, and a 50 730 low a day, and then Abbott I don't think is doing much, and Boeing is not doing much. Let's go back to Coin. Coin is ripping, and Coin looking fantastic on the daily. And here's Netflix popped up here. I am holding on to a quarter of my position. I'm actually looking to put more on if it does spike up to here. And I will put a stop in place as well, 106, in case we do get filled there and it just runs. But I think this is coming down. I did get filled for the additional there. We are here at 105.60. Let's see if it comes back in. 104. Can we get a dropout? And I'll cover that risk immediately. Can we get a dropout to the 204s? No, we're pushing up to 106. Not what I was looking for. Might do a stop run on us before. Well, I got my stop in place here. Let's see if we can get a drop down to the 204s, 203s. I mean, ideally, heading back down to lows. There's the 4s. Can we reject and really go down? I think we can. It's a nice move there. I'm going to try to cover part of it down there. Did not get it. Did not get it. Where was I? At 50 cents. Got it right there, and then we're back into the 3s. Really nice. Just making some cash flow off of this movement in Netflix, but now she's got to go. She's got to go break down below that 203 at this point. Really needs to go. And if not, I might be covering the rest of my position if she's not breaking down here. Time stop is in effect. I can delete this order. And really want to see this hold an offer below 203. Time to start heading back down to lows. There's 50 cents, 40 cents, 30 cents. Can we go attack that 203? Here's 203. And this 32 is holding. Step down. Looking good. And no, not so much. Not so much. Can we get down below 203? Can this 49 step down? Did step down and back up to 50 on the offer there. And I don't want to see that 50 offer lift at this point. I want to see us really start moving down. Here's the 2s. Here's the 2s. Can we get down below 202? They're starting to sell it now. Back up above 203 and then spiking. Yeah. That is not what I wanted to see. Let me go ahead and I'm actually going to take... yeah, it spiked up on me there. I think I'm going to take another piece off here. Let's see if we can come back down under 204. Back down to 203. I'm going to try to take half of this off. Did not get it. Might just cover the whole thing here. Thought I would go back down to lows by now. I'm at 203.47 for a cover of half. Have not gotten it yet. Did get it there. So I am down to 1/8 of my position. And I'm just going to set 205.30 stop here and let this thing go down to such a small size. I feel like it should have gone already. And there we go. Let's see if we get it here. 202s. Fortunately, I covered that up there. And 180s did not get a flush down to 10 to the low 101s. Let's see if we get it here. And there it is. I am flat Netflix. And that was a fantastic trade. Very nice. Could I have executed better? Yes. Could I have held more size longer? Yes. But really nice trade. And then also re-adding up here. Just solid overall. Gonna set a marker there. Happy with that one.